How to add Emoji keyboard on iPhone. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Once you're inside the settings, move into General. Inside General, scroll down and head over to Keyboard. Once again, head over to Keyboards at the very top of the screen. In this page, you have to select Emoji. Once you've selected, you can also click on Add New Keyboard. From here, you can select any of the keyboard that you want to. Once done, now let me head over to the keyboard section. Once the keyboard has appeared on your screen, at the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see the emoji icon. Click on it. Well, here you can see tons of different emoji on your keyboard. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add emoji keyboard on your iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.